Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is going to be on the guitar, so let's get started. Alright, so today is on this new song, Bad to You. The chords that we're going to be using is D minor to a B flat, then A minor, and the G minor. Okay. So D minor, B flat, A minor, G minor. You guys can also play the D flat down here and also the A minor. Whatever feels comfortable to you guys. So the basic shunt pattern, just down shunts, kind of like a reggae feel to it. You guys can hear it in like parts of the song where it's just the guitar. So this is the example of it. So the shunt pattern there, D minor is 2 down shunts, D flat 1 down shunt, A minor 1, and then G minor we're going to do 3 down shunts and A minor with 1 down shunt. So I'll play it, you guys can follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you guys want to learn the bass line, I'll have that on the screen as a tabs, but it will sound like this. So. Thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.